Hey friends, Dawn here from Marathon Coach. We have Coach 1095 on display and I thought you might like to take a look through it. It is an H345 and it is a 2007 and it's a double slide. So let's go in and take a look. We just recently acquired this coach, so I was happy to take you through it. The cupboards are a darker matte finish. I don't know how to describe it. It's really pretty. They are a little darker, but they are very pretty. You can see here it has the J Lounge. Let's just take a stroll through here. This is a single bath coach. So here is your bath. It's in the mid. And then showers just across. Nice size shower. This has extra closet space. So again, in the hallway here, we have this extra closet space along with some storage below. And then on to the bedroom. It's very spacious, nice and comfy, cozy. It does have the extra vanity in the bathroom, or excuse me, in the bedroom. And then behind the mirrored doorways there is the washer dryer and an extra closet. So we can take a look at that. So extra storage all the way up and down, which is always wonderful. And you have your washer dryer stackable there as well, which is so convenient because it's right across from the big closet. So that works out beautifully. So again, this coach right now is listed at $589,000, double slide 2008. Be happy to answer any questions on this that you might have. You can get a hold of Randy or myself. It's going to make someone a lovely home on wheels. We're going to take a look at the bays here on Coach 1095. Got your entertainment, your generator, extra storage, and then what do we have here?
This one has a pretty interesting feature. I'm going to step over here.
All right.
I'll bring it out. So this has a built-in grill.
Nice. Yeah. I love it that it's close to the door of the coach.
Yeah, yep, it is.
That's cool.
And there is storage behind this, so you'll
see yeah, we can see it. Yes. Good point.
Bring this all the way out.
Now, what all do you have there?
Well, you actually have an electric grill, which doesn't look like it's been used much, so that's in pretty good shape. But the really cool thing here is, if you open up the bottom doors, you have an electric burner that comes out. So you can be doing the burgers and the beans all at the same time.
The dogs and the beans.
The dogs and the beans, whatever you have with your burgers and dogs. So yeah.
Well, so that is a cool feature. We don't run into that a whole lot.
No, this is a very unique.
So definitely a custom built.
It's definitely custom built. And keep in mind, if you like the coach, but you say, you know what, I got my own grilling system. You know,
yeah.
This is
easily removed. Now, before we move it back in, what's on the side? What is on this side, honey? The stainless steel. What's that?
Oh, this all comes up.
Oh wow!
So that comes up on both sides.
Like a little prep area, or on both sides.
Look at that.
There you go.
That's quite the cooking station.
Very cool. Thanks for showing us that.
No problem.
Well, hey, thanks for joining us on the tour of this coach 1095. And like I said, if you have any questions or you're interested, just reach out to Randy or myself, and we'll get the paperwork out to you.
Yeah, and keep in mind, 07 double slide, 97,000 miles, in a great price point. So it's hard to come by these 07, 08. So make sure if this is something that looks good to you, that you get a hold of us right away. And keep watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach.